Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am extremely jazzed today. One, because it just hit 5 p.m. Two, I'm also on my third espresso drink of the day, so my heart's racing. I'm caffeinated, I'm ready to go. Three, I'm at vlog since graduation. And four, this marks the beginning of my New York City moving vlogs. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe down below because I'm gonna have a ton of New York and moving content coming your way. I'm so excited. These vlogs are gonna be so good. Today's vlog is me prepping and packing for New York City, which involves doing a lot of random things. I will say I'm leaving here 3 p.m. on Friday. I haven't really done much of anything yet. I've ordered some things. I have my pile still in my room from school, moving back, and that's all she wrote. So we're getting it together, especially today and tomorrow. Those are our big days of actual packing. Thursday we're picking up the moving truck and the couch from downtown Richmond, which is really exciting. Got a good deal on that in Facebook Marketplace. Check, boom, done. Yeah, why am I out of breath? Because my heart's racing. I'm wearing a t-shirt, tennis shoes, things are real. On the agenda for today, I have a lot of errands I need to run of just things to get done. Number one, I need to return the worst hamper I've ever bought to Home Goods. Potentially get another one there because I have liked the ones from there in the past, but I'm also picking up something at Target, my dishes, and I need to get a new mascara, so I have to go in anyways, and I'm gonna look at their hampers before I go to Home Goods to see what the price difference is. I'm also going to Trader Joe's. I need to pick up a couple cards. It was Liv's birthday yesterday, so I need to get a birthday card. I also need to get a birthday present. I don't know what I'm getting for her. Later story. Those are the 3 errands, and then my dad and I think are potentially going to Costco tonight because I need to stock up on a couple things there because we don't have a Costco super close to where I am. I think there's one in Jersey, but won't be at a Costco for a minute. Tonight I'm focusing mostly on packing to start, and then I'm also trying to list some stuff to sell on my neighborhood Facebook page, just things I've had accumulated, been meaning to sell and haven't. See if I can get a little extra cash before I go, and also just to clear it out. We're trying to declutter. Like I said, if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe down below to stay up to date on all my New York City moving vlogs. But let's go and run some errands. Hello friends, we're back for day 2. What did I do yesterday, you ask? Not what I really set out to do. Ran my errands, that took it out of me, and I washed 2 pairs of tennis shoes. So really, I'm being successful. I just listed this pile of clothes on my neighborhood Facebook page. I'm going to go pick up a nightstand, which isn't my favorite. No. Am I getting ripped off? Maybe. I got it for 40 bucks, which isn't horrible. It's just that I don't love it, but it does match my furniture perfectly. It's also from IKEA, and it's brand new unassembled, so I'm feeling fine. I saved 60 bucks if I would have to purchased it myself, but I wouldn't have done that. You know what I mean? Keep getting texted. Got some fan behavior up in here. First things first, I'm gonna go pick up that nightstand, then I'm gonna go on a walk with Abby, then I'm gonna go call Sam, and fourthly, I'm going to pack like I've been meaning to this whole time. But I did move some stuff last night out of here into the loft, which I didn't picture. Sorry about that, but you really didn't miss much, I'll say it. So now my loft looks slightly more of my stuff. Now all that stuff in the back there besides headboard is Jack's because he's moving to college soon. I went to Costco yesterday. I spent almost $100 on all of this, but all very necessary things. I got laundry detergent, 2 things of my favorite moisturizer, so AK4 for 40 bucks, which is amazing. That comes out to 10 bucks a pop, and these usually retail for 17, so that's fantastic. I'm also gonna be sweating a lot, as I do. Some more deodorant. And then I got a pack of really good scissors for 6 bucks. So really great. And that lantern from my Mimi, which was free. Thank you, Mimi. I'm doing my laundry tonight. I'm gonna pack all my clothes tonight. Feeling good. The fact that I'm wearing this right now and this is going on the internet is horrifying, but that's okay. I'm starting my little margarita here to make this more bearable. I'm currently doing my 2 loads of laundry, all my dirty clothes so that I have mostly clean clothes going in, and I know what I want to bring. I'm pretty much going to bring all my clothes because I recently did a declutter, but I'm going to check. I think I'm going to start with that first because that's the most feasible. I don't know, but I'm also going to start too with bringing my box spring out from under my bed because that will make sure that I remember it. Cheers. Happy Wednesday. She's moved on from UVA.
I'm taking off my UVA ribbons. I'm putting on my blue and gold. Or wait, green and gold. Wait, well, blue, green, and gold. Moving on.
About to head out to pick up the couch. We got my squad here, my moving team. I have my moving team here, and then I have my legal representative
/ administrative team here.
Yeah, without the law degree.
And concierge. How can I help with your move?
From a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far.
Good morning, friends. Your girl's tired. I went to bed last night at like 1. I got up at 7 this morning. I'm now done packing. I just need to bring it all out to my car. And as you guys saw last night, I will say, you've seen the moving vlogs before, or if you haven't, you should. This is like way less stuff, like dramatically way less stuff. And I think it's because I like went through and took out all the things I just like didn't need, you know, or wasn't using. Is that a revolutionary idea? Absolutely not. But first time I've done it, really. So checked out my desk last night. Mostly the stuff in my room is just like my overnight bag and random things that are going in the overnight bag. But the room is done besides my desk here, which I need my brother to help move. But then I've started to move down all the stuff in the loft. This is what I have left up here. I mean, really, it's not much stuff at all. It is way less overwhelming than last year, besides the fact that like I'm moving to New York City, so like that's overwhelming. But I just don't have as much crap. I also have my clothes in my closet. I just have like a really long list of things on my bed of just like things I need to do today outside of moving, and then all the things that like I want to make sure I bring, like double check that I have my wallet, like make sure I grab some stuff out of the garage, like different places in the house. So this makes me look jacked when I do this. Don't be fooled. I do have to work today, and I'm working until like 2:30ish, and then I'm leaving here at 3. I'm driving in our sedan up, and then my dad and my brother are driving the moving truck because we're dropping the moving truck up in New York, so they want to obviously be able to drive back. So I'm driving that car up, and then my dad obviously didn't want to be alone, so I'm driving 6 hours. We're staying the night in New Jersey actually, and then in the morning we're driving into the city tomorrow morning. Like, y'all, I'm just not ready, but that's okay. That's okay, both mentally and physically. But I'm gonna get it together. Jack's gonna get up soon and help me move all this out to the truck, and then I have to work. But after that, we'll be on our merry way. I have unfortunately put the tripod away, so now we're leaning up on my bed, but which is one of the final steps. We're bagging the clothes. I'm out of breath. I just finished work for the day. I think I'm gonna take like a 20-minute nap before we go so that I'm well rested for my 6-hour journey. 7-hour. Who knows how long it'll be. We have a couple special guests here. We have Connor, who just got his wisdom teeth out.
Hi.
We have Ashley for the annual goodbye, except
it's a real goodbye.
Sadly, this is real and not annual. And we have John, our moving concierge.
My artsy, but you didn't see it.
Hi guys, I'm gonna make this quick because I just got to Parsippany, New Jersey. Who knows where that is? Made it to the hotel. First one here, waiting on my dad and my brother. I'll level with you. First of all, my hair is crazy. That was like a horrible drive, I will say. The last part of it, like last 2 hours weren't bad, but the first like 3 or 4 were like torrential downpouring, except for the first 30 minutes. Pulled off the side of the road, thought I was gonna die off a bridge in Maryland, Delaware. Got a little confused there. Things are looking up. It's so humid out. My hair is like exploding. I am no longer in Virginia. Also, like, look at this. Can you see I self-tanned last night? You can see my tear stains from when I left. Perfect. Big girl things. It's really late. It's 12. I have to get up at like 5 or 4 tomorrow, so I'm gonna sign off on this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the moving vlog tomorrow. Can't believe this is real. I like had a couple moments actually driving up here where I was like, what have I done? Like, what are we doing right now? Like, this isn't Charlottesville. This isn't going to college. Like, this is permanent, at least for the next couple years. I've been to New York City once. Like, whoa, what are we doing? You guys are along for the journey. Big things. Crazy. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. Look out for my new moving vlog, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.